guys, we're back in force, Maddie and Dante. We're coming up over the waterfall. What is it again? Sorry.
We found the culprits who ate our chickens.
In our backyard, guys, so fun. Oh, geez. And here it is, the river, or the waterfall. Hey, don't judge us. It is a waterfall, and that is a hole. Dante's brave, he's going above the ice, he kept sinking in.
That is always right. That's the favorite waterfall.
Yeah, we're all here.
Oh yeah, and that's our escape. Going across the river.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, we have more animal tracks, guys. Yeah. Anyway, like and subscribe, guys. Bye. Walked into a tree.